Hello everyone, Ray from Babco here. We're talking about maintenance on a 4-post lift. I'm going to talk about lubricating the locks, primary and secondary locks. For you seasonal guys, when you take your Ferrari off or whatever it is, could be a Rambler, you get the thing off, you put the lift on the ground. This is not a bad time to do that because it's relaxed. So if you take your cover off, you notice there's a secondary lock which is cable stayed, and then the primary lock which is air fired. These things have to move freely. So there's not much to do here, but use a lubricant of some kind. What I'm using here is just a spray lube. It can be just about anything, but don't use anything too sticky like that white lithium grease. It just makes a mess. And you want something that's going to creep in a little bit. So this stuff here is pretty good, but there's many others. WD-40 would also work. What you want to do is you want to make sure these things are absolutely moving freely, especially the air-fired one. So you're going to want to get some of this lube between this gray part of the gusset and the silver part of the lock itself on both sides. So I just simply spray some in there. There are springs here that keep it. Doesn't hurt to do that. And then on the cable stayed secondary lock, if you push this ahead, you can see that this wheel has to spin freely. Give it a shot of your favorite goop. And just make sure that it's free, because otherwise that wheel will stay there and the cable's going up and down, and eventually it'll wear off a flat spot on there. Be sure to put it back on. That's about all for lock maintenance.